It's easier said than done, and when you've had a long day, or your family members are on opposite schedules, cooking can seem even more daunting. But it turns out that becoming a pro in the kitchen isn't as hard as you think. Here, we debunk the myths and offer some key tips and shortcuts that will help you embrace all your kitchen has to offer. 1. Not everything has to be from scratch. So, you don't have fresh garlic? That's okay. Garlic powder works, too. You have to start somewhere, says Tiffany King, food blogger and creator of Eat at Home. The goal is a home-cooked meal. It doesn't mean everything is done by hand. Invest in pre-made ingredients, like salad mixes, sauces, and frozen meats, to take off some of the preparation pressure. 2. Make the most of your Sundays. Well, it doesn't have to be Sunday, but you need a night to plan out your week. Make thoughtful grocery lists and outline what you want to cook for dinner. Becoming a home cook starts in the grocery aisle, and a little extra preparation will help you make the most of your trip. 3. Find recipes that you trust. Don't overwhelm yourself with fancy cookbooks and thousands of food bloggers. Find a few standard recipes to start, and build your repertoire from there. 4. Play around in the kitchen. Because cooking, like all other skills, takes practice, don't try to whip up an elaborate meal for 4 on a busy Tuesday night. Instead, Horwich suggests finding time over the weekend, or whenever you have an hour to yourself, to experiment in the kitchen. You lose the pressure, and you get to practice. 5. Put your slow cooker to work. If you need to get good, healthy meals on the table in a time crunch, a slow cooker is your best friend. Both Horwich and King agree that slow cooker meals can tame a busy week. Cook meat ahead of time and freeze it, or set your slow cooker in the morning, and come home to a meal that's basically ready to serve. 6. If it works, repeat it. The feeling that you have to make something completely, uniquely different 5 nights a week is a lot of pressure, Horwich says. When people like foods, they are happy to eat it almost every day. If you've mastered a chicken dish, or you buy tons of vegetables that you know you can roast in no time, go for it. You officially have permission to repeat dinners night after night. 7. Turn time into your friend, not your enemy. No one is expecting you to turn your kitchen into a Michelin star restaurant. If the meat is ready before the salad, serve it anyway. Don't get caught up in the timing of dinner, says Horwich.